Guys, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe for some amazing content. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Dadwithdy. Today I'll tell you about the 5 must Cydia tweaks that you should have on your iOS 12.4 devices. So let's get started. So guys, the first tweak is DarkKeys. So what DarkKeys actually does, it makes your default white colored keypad to black colored, which makes it more appealing. As you can see on the screen that I don't have a white colored default keyboard, but instead I have a black colored, which is more appealing and more stylish. So guys, the next tweak is ForceInPicture. ForceInPicture helps you to play the video while using any app or on your home screens. So guys, what you have to do is go to Safari and search for any YouTube video. Suppose I want to play my YouTube video, so I'll just click. So guys, the next trick I'm going to tell you is HideLabels 10. What it actually does, it hides your app's name and labels. So as you can see on the screen, there are no labels for any of my apps. So it makes your home screen look more decent and more appealing. So guys, the next tweak is FiveIconDoc 11. So what it does, it allows or helps you to add 5 apps on your dock. As you can see on your screen, I have Facebook, Safari, YouTube, Call and WhatsApp. In default, you cannot add more than 5, but using this tweak you can add 5. So guys, the last tweak is UltraSound. It gives you a good and a decent sliding HUD of your volume at the top left, which is really appealing, as you can see on your screens, and it won't pop up in the middle of the screen just like the default one, which is really annoying. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and comment on the video and do subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.